to give you very interesting information about NASA. Very interesting history about NASA. So, two astronauts made the first water landing by NASA since 1975. Where did they splash down? In Greece, the option: the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of California, Gulf of Mexico, or the Lake of Tengiz. And the answer of the question is Gulf of Mexico. The answer of Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can say whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.